How's it going, ladies? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're going to take a look at this Casio Mini Personal Electronic Calculator. Got it for 50 cents at the Sally Ann. This thing comes to us out of 1975. Something happened in the market in 1975 to make all the things so much cheaper. Well, not all the things, sorry. All the calculators so much cheaper. Care for your new calculator. Oh yeah, instructions, ladies. That's what the ladies like. Make them weak in the knees. Documentation. Mini Personal Casio Electronic Calculator. Oh, I should mail this in and see what I get. Mail in my warranty. That's what I'm talking about. Anyways, here's the Casio. Made in Japan. Nice. Very nice. Casio Personal Mini battery supply. Yep. And here it is. Look at that. Oh, that's just beautiful. 2 plus 2 equals. Oh, I love it when it does that. If I press the button just right, I can get it to freak out and just go on forever. Yeah, it might not seem like much, but man, that is so cool. I'm geeking out here. That's some good stuff. Man, back in the day, this would probably be about, what, 50 bucks to get? These days, you can get something like this at a dollar store, and it's not even half the size. Look at this. A DC input, so you can get power directly from the wall, so you didn't have to waste your precious AAA batteries from Amazon that were also around in 1975, apparently. Let's get into this sucker. I want to have a look. I want to see what's inside. Probably lots of things I have to pry apart. That's interesting. I finally found an old piece of tech that you got to pry apart because of clips, because I'm not seeing any Phillips head screws here at all. Alright, be right back. Alright, so I finessed the clips out. That's a nicer way of saying I dropped it on the floor. Ooh, not bad. That's actually a tube. Look at that tube. Look how cute. That is awesome. That is awesome. I gotta get that going. Got an NEC chip. Always see the NEC chips in these old calculators. These days I only see NEC on monitors. Apparently this is a transformer. Transformer, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe the transformers got cheaper. More than meets the eye. Let's just open this up. Look at that. I got to cut across my hand. And I'm pointing that out because every computer guy knows what it's like to work with a computer for a little bit and then why is my arm bleeding all of a sudden? That's exactly what happened. Breaking computers. I know a YouTuber who got stitches from working with a computer, and how he calls that computer stitches. Look at these colors, definitely very 1970s. I'm glad I wasn't alive back then. There's no internet porn back then that I'm aware of. Maybe there was, but it was all text-based. Oh, I'm missing one. Alright. No, I'm still missing. Oh, wow, check that out. I have never seen a button device like that. That is so cool, you guys. And how does it do it? I guess it, that is one hell of a way to do buttons. My goodness, that is cool. Very neat. Very neat. Okay. Alright, so pretty cool all in all. Gotta say. Pretty neat. Never expected the, I still haven't figured out exactly how this works yet, but I'll mess around with this for a while. That's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Not from Nev's Tech Bits.